What is going on, guys? It's Mark here. I'm in Greensboro, North Carolina. Here are the famous Emma Keys, and they are famous for their flat top grill, so we're gonna see what it's all about. Owners Jacob and Logan met as teenagers, him as a line cook at a pizzeria and her as a hostess at a steakhouse. After many years apart, they reconnected, him now as chef and Logan as a therapist. They got engaged and bought Emma Keys, which used to be a barbershop in the 1950s. They aim to create a community space, blending its original charm with their homemade touches. Join me for a taste of love, food, and community. Alright guys, you see the menu, pretty simple menu, but I promise everything on here is going to be good, so let's go ahead and see what we're going to get. Definitely want to get a hot dog, a burger, and maybe a grilled cheese, something to drink, because I am thirsty, like it's hot. And then I was in that kitchen, you see, sweating. Let's go see what they got. Alright guys, so I know what I want. I'm going to get a Lone Star burger, the El Diablo burger, I'm going to get a Carolina dog, and an Agent P. I love sandwiches, so I'm going to try the Agent P. It says it comes with pimento cheese, bacon, fried tomatoes, hot pickles. That sounds crazy. Sounds good though. And there's some onion rings because I like onion rings better than fries. So let's go ahead and order. Can I get the Lone Star burger, the El Diablo burger, and a Carolina dog, all the way like that, and the Agent P? Yeah, and can I get a drink?
Yeah.
And
you want any sides of that?
onion rings, and that's it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. Oh yeah, guys, I got a little bit of everything. I'm really excited. I'm gonna have to go outside though, because the music in here is kind of loud, but it's all right. Okay, so what are you making right now?
All right, so this is just fried jalapenos. It goes on the Diablo. Just use a little Cajun, and cayenne, garlic pepper, and salt. A little MSG. Just go for buttermilk, flour.
That's a spicy burger, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to try that one.
Spicy aioli, fried jalapenos, lettuce and tomato, pepper jack.
Yeah, I'm definitely trying that one. I love spicy food. So. Be amazing on the Diablo burger. I'm definitely trying that because you know me, gotta have something spicy. So next up, he's gonna grill up a hot dog, and then I think they have a grilled cheese as well that I want to try. So we're gonna try that out as well. You see the burgers being pressed out right here. Not no frozen McDonald's patties.
Still green, fried jalapeno.
Okay. Oh yeah, those look crazy spicy.
Yeah, they're right. Nice and thick cut too.
Oh yeah. Those are about to be magically delicious.
Alright, so what we do, these are all beef franks. And we split them.
Okay.
And then we drop them in the fryer to keep them crispier actually.
Oh, okay, yeah, the split. Yeah, a lot of places don't do the split and get that caramelized. Oh yeah.
It'll rise to the top, when you pull it up, it'll be nice and split.
And can you tell me a little bit about the burgers?
So these are 820 beef. They're seasoned when we roll, and then we season the flat top and butter before it goes on.
Oh yeah.
It was white. I have this little garlic rosemary blend that I make myself in the house. And what we do is we decarb the rosemary and break down the garlic. And then we throw that in the oven until it's fried, grind it up in a robo.
Yeah, I see you have a lot of passion behind the food, not lazily like some other places.
Right.
Oh yeah, smash those down.
Smash and pass. You're gonna like these ones. Lone Star. It's like our cowboy barbecue burger. We do these fried onion straws.
Okay.
Barbecue sauce, cheddar.
Oh yeah, that sounds really good.
Garlic aioli that we do.
Damn, I kind of want to try one of every burger, but.
You can.
All right, guys, we just got a little behind the scenes in the kitchen, and like you can tell the amount of love he has for his craft. Like, he's over here putting a lot of effort into the food, and it looks so incredible. And everything's made like fresh, like, you know, his own seasoning blends, and meat looks fresh. Like, everything looks so good. I'm about to order almost one of everything because I just want to try everything for you guys. So you already know this is gonna be good. They got cheer wine. All right, guys, so I don't know if you could hear me on the inside because they have music and it's kind of loud in there, so I came outside. I got 4 items. I got the Lone Star Burger, I think it's called, the Cowboy one, and I got a hot dog, Carolina style all the way or whatever. And I also got a grilled cheese because I haven't had a grilled cheese since like high school, so got 4 things and we're outside and we're gonna eat it out here. All right, guys, we got a little bit of everything. Like, this is crazy. I got 2 burgers, I got a hot dog, and I got a chicken sandwich with cheese on it. So let's go ahead and get into this because I am hungry. I haven't eaten all day, but I don't even know which one to start off with. And this is the Cowboy Burger right here. Let's try with this one first. I forgot to say no lettuce and no tomato, but we just throw that off. Oh, this one's got some mayo on the bun. You see that? Dude, there is mad flies out here. I should have done this inside. But let's go ahead and try it out. Oh my God, look at that burger. It is huge, by the way. That's absolutely loaded with bacon. Look at that. Should have got some napkins. Yeah, that's way better than cookout. Absolutely delicious. The bun is nice and soft, and it is meaty. Like, that is a meaty ass burger. Next up, we got the Carolina dog right here. It's got chili, mustard, and onions, I think. I'm over here trying to fight off the flies. There's so many flies out here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that chili is absolutely delicious. You can taste that it's not from a can. Like, it has a unique taste to it. It's really good. Sausage has a nice bite to it. Let's get some more of that. All right, next up we got the chicken sandwich, and this one has like pimento cheese on it. Look at that. We got some pimento cheese on there. It's got pickles on it, which I don't like pickles, so I took them off, but let's go ahead and give it a shot. Dude, this is huge. Look at that. Nicely toasted sandwich. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is like the size of my head. You guys hear that crunch? That bread is so nice and toasted. Chicken is not like spicy or anything, but it has a good fry to it. Good taste, not too oily, and that pimento cheese is amazing. Like, I usually don't like pimento cheese, but that one actually does complement the chicken really well. Let's give it another bite. I almost forgot about the onion rings. Look how big these onion rings are. They're huge. You see a little seasoning on there, salt and pepper. And that onion is cooked perfectly. So soft, it just disintegrates in your mouth. I don't like my onion to have like a crunch to it when I'm eating onion rings, but this is perfect. All right, guys, we got one more burger. This is the Diablo Burger. So my camera overheated, so I had to let it cool down. But this one is gonna spice things up. It has the fried jalapenos that we saw him make. It's got guac, and I think like some other kind of cheese. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. This is huge. Like, these burgers are huge. And it's got some chipotle mayo, I think. If you see that in there, it's like some. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That has the crazy spice to it. Not too much, but if you don't like spicy food, that's gonna do you in right there. Because this one, as soon as you bite into it, it has a kick. But at the same time, the guac is like helping to balance out the spice. So the guac and the tomato definitely helps out. Really good. If you love spicy food right here, this is for you. I'm going for another bite. This is really good. Just like Mark Wayne says, if it's not spicy, I'm not eating, so. Oh yeah, every time you get a bite of that burger, you get the jalapenos, the crunch of the jalapenos. My mouth is on fire, but it's a good fire and a good spice. Yeah, definitely try this one out. If you like spicy food, try this one out when you get here, the Diablo Burger.
Okay, hi. We all got the Lone Star. It's delicious. I've been here once. I've never had it before.
I think it's a serious burger. I mean, if you look at it, it's a beautiful display, got some great colors going on, so we're excited.
Pumped.
Yeah, I got some sweet potato fries, a little different. Really excited about them. They look really crispy. Loving the waffle fry shape.
This is probably one of the best looking burgers I've like seen, so.
All right, guys, I just finished up my lunch at Emma Keys, and let me just say, everything was amazing. Like, every burger I had tastes different, and like, in the best way possible. The patties were huge. The hot dog was so good, it had a good bite to it. The toppings loaded on there. And the chicken sandwich was absolutely delicious. Like, I wish I had like 3 stomachs so I could have eaten everything, but I can't. So yeah, big shout out to Emma Keys and the owners. Really nice having me back there. Really appreciate it. And stay tuned because we're gonna do another video soon about late night. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and go try them out.